How to receive crypto on Trust Wallet. Now, to receive crypto, let us take an example from a bank account. So let's say you have a mobile banking app and then you want to receive money from another account. What do you need? You need your mobile bank account number or the QR code, right? Similar is the case for cryptocurrency as well. If you want to receive crypto from someone, you need to give them your deposit address for the cryptocurrency that you wish to receive. Now to get started, just launch the Trust Wallet application, and of course logging in is a basic need, so go ahead and then log into your account. You can see the send and the receive icon over there. Of course, since we're trying to receive it, tap on the receive icon. Now next step is very important, because if you're trying to receive Bitcoin, you have to select Bitcoin. If you're trying to receive Ethereum, you have to select Ethereum, right? So assuming it's Bitcoin, right, you can just select Bitcoin, and this is our Bitcoin deposit address. So if someone wants to send us Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, we can give them this deposit address either in QR code, or we can copy this address here and send it to them, and they'll be able to send us the cryptocurrency. And this way we can receive crypto on Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.